Let us cross over live now to the Minister of Crime, who will doing the live address. Amaguest.
For those of you who don't know me, I am Patience Magegula. I am the Minister of Crime here in South Africa. Members that are tuning in now, we want to say thank you to Mike from Amaguest for letting us speak here and to enforce the law that is coming now for you to obey. There will be no kissing. You heard me right, when you, the naughty one, when you are busy kissing in the bush, when your mother don't see you busy kiss there. Yeah, I'm speaking to you. We are going to arrest you. No kissing is permitted anymore. What I mean is, even in your house, no more kissing in the house, sir.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am, you're not right.
From today,
This is not in the Constitution.
Your curtains, you leave the curtains open. You hear me? In your house, all the curtains in your house must be open. All of it. All of it. Must be open. When the police drive by and they see you performing some kisses there, they're going to arrest you.
Sorry, this is unconstitutional. You can't do that.
I am the Minister
You
of
can't
Crime,
say that.
You will listen to me here as I speak, all of you. Hey, if we see you can performing some kisses there, hey, gonna put you in jail. Double. We will free some of the people doing petty crimes like stealing chepisi and maanyanisi and some what. We'll release them to make space for you performing kisses. The Corona is here. And you are busy make kisses in your house. I swear. And the pasha is another thing. Hey, yeah. The pasha. Man, so just answering the phone. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Hey, Mr. President. Hey, I'm busy doing a live, the live address, nation address. Hey, yes, Mr. President. Huh? Okay. Yes. Okay, bye-bye. Don't mind me, I was just speaking to the president. As I was saying, if you are doing naughty things in your house, we arrest you once in jail. Between a man and a woman, man, woman, whatever, there must be 1 meter in the house between each other. So if your bed is 2 meters, one of you will be sleeping on the floor. This is the law. We are by law enforcement from today. COVID is infectious. Extra sure. This sickness cannot affect and infect everyone infect. So my advice would be the husband sleep on the floor, the wife will leave to sleep on the bed. It's better like that. And the other thing, this is a serious matter.
Awufune.
Yep. Hey, Gladys.
Chicken. Siya-order ma-takeaways.
Ngiyawafuna.
Okay, lapho sokuedela.
Hey, ngithanda ama-hot drinks. Yeah, put 1 hot drinks, 1 Coke, ufaka nama-chilies lapho.
Hi, sharp.
Yeah, ngiyabonga ngizakubhatalisa later man.
Sorry, we are on a live address. You can't just talk on the phone and carry on ordering food.
Stop it now. That rude man. As I was saying to you, honorable members of the citizens of whatever South Africa, we must destroy COVID. We understand.
Do you have enough officers to enforce
I'm
this
here,
thing?
I'm busy with another
I don't think so.
This question. This is not your uncle's house. You can ask this question to me. We don't give you permission to speak. I'm busy here. Oh, you will be the one sleeping on the floor, you can see. Thank you for the law-abiding citizens that are doing your part to protect our country. Bye.